Hi, you're welcome to Cresta TV. Today I'll be showing you a strategy you can use to make money if you have the money to spend. A strategy you can use to make money online. If you have the money to spend. Number one, go to a platform named what? MotionDen. MotionDen.com. 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 On this MotionDen.com, you have the ability and the opportunity to create and videos intro and outros. First of all, let me show you how you can register on this platform. You click on get started, or other option is what? Just go back, then click on make video for free. You can see make instant video for free. Then you're going to be creating video intros and outros. Then you click on this video, then you edit it. You can register with your Google account already on the platform. Since we can't log in, let's sign up. Then you can continue with what? Your already existing Google account. You can see it has taken us to MotionDen. Then you edit all this. Once you edit it, then you have the opportunity to make video, just video intros and outros. Then after you have successfully made the video, now go to a site named what? People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a platform which gives you the ability to be able to sell your video intros. You can just go to the search bar and type intros. Or you sign up. Just search for video intros. It's loading. Let's search for first. Okay, intros. Then click on the search button. You can see create 7 brand new video intro animation. You can see this person offer this video for $15. Why this offer this for? Make amazing logo intro animation, 25 sample available, $20. Create amazing logo review intro animation video, 10 sample, $35. Apart from these people power, you can also go to Fiverr, then become a seller on those platforms and start offering those service for them. If you have the money to buy the software, I would employ you to just go get the software to upgrade to their modern plan. I'll be dropping my referral link under, and you can click on it so you can have a bonus anytime you purchase this offer. So that's just it for the day. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to benefit anytime I drop off some video just like this. Thanks.